Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn reading the user input from the terminal Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So above node 10, this is the core module, that is readline. So I'm not installing any kind of node packages, so it's a by default of the node core, so I'm going to use that one. So import the readline module to interact with the command line. Okay, create an interface to read and write the data from the command line. So this is the interface that we're going to create, and input process dot standard input specifies that it will take the input from the standard input keyboard, right? Output process dot standard output means specifies that we will output to the standard output in the console. Okay, ask the first question, that is what's your name. Okay, so the name, once the name is entered, log the greeting with the same name. Okay, console dot log. Asking for the next question, how old are you? So again, second question with the console, like you are something like years old. Ask the third questions, what's your favorite programming language? So then it will come with the console, this one. And the last one, ask the question, what's your hobby? Okay, then close the readline interface after all the questions are answered. Okay, so this is how you can do that. Let's go to the terminal and run node test.js. And what's your name? Rajnikant. How old are you? 27. What is your favorite programming language? PHP. Is your grade choice? What's your hobby? Testing, whatever it is. Okay, so testing sound like a funny activity. Okay, so this is how you should, sometimes you want to interact with the terminal, get want to easier input. So with the help of this, you can use that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.